Hey, I'm Kendra, and I'm going to give you 5 tips on how to find campsites at the most popular national parks. Tip number 1, book early if you can. At most national park campgrounds, you can book your campsite as far out as 6 months. When you're on recreation.gov, making your reservations, don't dilly-dally. If you see something, snag it, book it. Be ready to pay, because at these campgrounds you pay in advance. If you don't have time on your side, no worries. These next tips are for you. Tip number 2, be the cancellation queen or king. Cancellations happen all the time. If you didn't get the campsite or reservation that you wanted, go back onto recreation.gov, hit refresh, check the availability grid of the campground that you're looking at, and see if anything has opened up. There are a handful of websites and apps that monitor and scan national park campground availability. So basically what that means is that they alert you, and it's up to you to hop on the website and snag that site. Some of them include CampNab, Yes You Camp, and Camp Assist. My third tip is be open to modifying. If there's a campsite available relatively near the date that I want, I'll go ahead and book it. Then I'll continue to check back every single day to see if something has opened up so I can modify my reservation for the desired date I wanted. If there ends up being no cancellations, no openings, then I'll modify my plans to meet the reservation that I originally booked. I should mention that it's a $10 fee to both cancel or modify your reservation. Tip number 4, be open to moving sites. If I look at the availability grid on recreation.gov and I see certain sites open for certain days, I will go ahead and book those, knowing that we are going to have to check in and check out every single day. Most campgrounds at national parks are really generous when it comes to those moving sites because it's quite frequent, but you will come across some people that will want you to come back during check-in time. It might be a little inconvenient to move sites, but it's well worth it staying in a national park campground. Tip number 5, combo camp. If there's availability here and there and you need to connect those dates with different types of camping, you can go onto campendium.com and search for nearby campgrounds. You can go onto Togo RV and find locations to park overnight. You can try dispersed camping on BLM land, primitive camping in national forests, boondocking, mooch docking at a friend's house. There's a handful of ways that you can get creative. I hope that these tips end up helping you and that you have a wonderful camping trip.